Hello! In today's video lesson, I'll show you how to play CSGO again after CS2 release. But first, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any helpful tutorials. Let's now start. Open the Steam client. Find Counter-Strike 2. And then right-click Properties. Find Betas. And then select CSGO Demo Viewer in the Beta Participation section. The game will then update to the previous version. Wait a while. You can now launch CSGO when the game launches solely to emulate CSGO here. But you are unable to engage in any official multiplayer modes. You can play the classic game once more, or try practice mode with bots. Or if you haven't played enough in the last 10 years, you can play with other players on the community servers. You won't get any drums, nor gain XP. That's all for now, everyone. Thanks for watching.